Hello everyone! This is Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. On this episode, I'll be showing you how to make Uguisu Mochi. 皆さんこんにちは。Miss Wagashi TV へようこそ。今日はうぐいす餅を作ってみたいと思います。As you may know, there are many variations of mochi, and Uguisu Mochi is known for its extremely tender texture and green-colored soybean flour on top. Here are ingredients. I'll be using Uguisu Kinako, which is made from roasted green soybeans. If you can't find it, you can use standard Kinako flour. Divide your bean paste into 25 grams each and make balls. Cover your workspace with Kinako flour. Place glutinous rice flour to the pan. Add half the water first. Mix well with the spatula and remove the crumbs. Add the rest of the water. I'm going to put the pan on the stove and heat over high. When the liquid has turned solid, reduce the heat to low. I will add my sugar in 3 additions. Let's add 1/3 of sugar. I will add remaining half. Let's add the rest of the sugar to the pan. Add glucose syrup. If the mochi is not stretchy enough, add some water. I will pour onto the Kinako flour dusted surface. Fold the mochi into 2 and dust the surface. Cut the log in half and then divide each half into 15 grams. Flatten the mochi into a disc. Bring opposite edges of the mochi up and over the bean paste bowl. Pinch the mochi together until sealed. Sift Kinako flour on the mochi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope you will make it successfully at home. I'll be very happy if you could subscribe my channel. Miss Wagashi TV をご覧いただきありがとうございました。ぜひお家でチャレンジしてみてください。チャンネル登録していただけると大変励みになります。ぜひよろしくお願いします。それではまたお会いしましょう。See you soon. Bye bye.